Welcome to the Fire Service Rota app. In this video, we'll show you how to make a duty exchange from the scheduling app. First, you will go to the menu of the app and select the Request tab. On the bottom you will see a Make a Request button. Next, choose the type of request, in this case, a duty exchange. Fill out the form with the necessary information. You can select the date and length of the duty you want to exchange, and add any notes if necessary. You can choose Pre-approved when your colleague has agreed to take your shift. If the request is marked as pre-approved, you will not need further acceptance from the candidate. Then, press Select Candidates. The app will give you a list of people who can make the exchange with you. Select the candidate or candidates you want to send this request to, and click Submit. Candidates can accept or reject duty request from the app by going to their messages and opening the duty exchange request. When opening the message, they will get the option to accept or reject the request. The selected candidate will accept or reject the request. You can review all your requests under the Requests tab in the menu. You'll get a notification in the app and an email when your request is approved or rejected. Thank you for using the Fire Service Rota app.